Hey queens and kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. So today I have a Dollar Tree DIY where I make these gorgeous slim taper wall sconces. In this video, if you all would like to see all the material that I used to come up with this gorgeousness, please continue to watch. Hey queens and kings. All right, queens and kings. So here are all the materials that I will be using. Like I said, most of this stuff came from the Dollar Tree. The E6000 came from Walmart. I will be using this wooden plunger holder, the Dollar Tree mirror, the octagon. These are Dollar Tree tower game pieces. Those two wooden pieces there. That is a Dollar Tree floating light. The Restoring Silver spray paint came from Walmart. The bling script there came from Hobby Lobby. You also find it on Amazon. And I used Dollar Tree little Glam bracelets that I broke down to make the Glam. But anyway, so here are the handles that I had already started doing one. I was going to do it separate, but I was like, why not just go ahead and do both at the same time? Here I'm showing you guys the wooden tower that I had actually glued together, in which I did not mention you would need hot glue and a glue gun, which I always forget something. But anyways, I glued the towers together, and here I'm showing you guys the little floating lights, but I actually took everything out of that light, took it apart and all. And the only thing you're gonna need and use is the bottom portion of that. That is gonna be the part where the candle will actually sit in. So now I'm going to show you guys where basically I'm going to place some glue, some hot glue on the back, and I'm using the Gorilla Glue sticks if you guys were wondering, because they are very strong hold to them. So but anyways, and now I'm going to place my little tower gains right on top of that glue, and apply a little pressure and everything so you can go ahead and adhere to it. Now I'm showing you guys the little lighting, and it actually showing you guys it does have a hollow part to it, but I'm gonna flip it over and this is the bottom of it, and I'm gonna apply a generous amount of glue, and we're gonna take that wooden dowel, well, plunger holder and place that directly on top of that and apply pressure until it actually dry. Once it fully dries all up, we're gonna take it outside and spray paint it. Alright, so they all fully dry. So I did started doing one because I'm showing you guys here now that you see all the imperfection and everything where the spray paint actually highlighted that, and I didn't like that. I don't like how it looks and everything. So there's where the other bling script's gonna come into place, in which, like I said, I got mine from Hobby Lobby, and you also can find them on Amazon. If I find a link, I will link it down below. But you see all the imperfections, so that's what I'm just gonna cover up. So this portion here is the part what actually screw up into the plunger part of it, and I'm going to actually apply some hot glue on it and place the bling scripts around it to cover up that portion there. Okay, so this is basically how it turned out. I was gonna go, this was the original look that I was gonna go with before I recognized all the imperfection and everything. So now I'm just gonna go ahead adding on some more bling to this. This is how they became extra glamorous at this point here. And I'm gonna do is just glue a script of this rhinestone wrap or bling wrap or whatever you would like to call it all the way down the middle of this plunger holder. Okay, now queens and kings, I'm going to take my E6000 and basically I'm going to place some E6000 on the bottom of those two tower game pieces that I glued together, and I totally apologize for my hand being in the way. And as you guys can see, I have already arranged the candle holders in the area that I would like to place them. So I'm also going to apply some of that hot glue as well. The hot glue is just the base to hold it in place until the E6000 actually dries. But by these are uneven and everything like that, it's starting to tip. So you're gonna need to place something at the ending of the handle of the candle holder, so therefore it can stay in place, so it can all dry flat, so you don't have that little tip look once they do totally dry. So I'm gonna do the same thing that I did for the first one onto the second one as well. Now, if you don't have mirrors like you see that I have here, you can use any other type of wood to do this or anything else. It doesn't have to be mirror, but y'all know I'm a glam queen, so why not? Why not? But anyways, the purpose of the mirror is for the next step that is about to come up. Okay, so the purpose of the mirrors is for this step here. Here I'm taking my E6000 and I'm putting a small amount of dots of where I want to place the crystals, the bracelets there, where the blings off the bracelet. And I totally apologize for not showing you guys the bracelet, but you guys have seen me use these bracelets more than once. So all I'm doing is just basically placing some smaller amount of E6000 once again down on the mirror, and I'm going to place my blings on top of them as you guys see now. Okay, queens and keys, so here are the gorgeousness. Yes. But anyways, I love the way that these candle holders came out. I mean, sconces came out. I love the way that they look on my mirror. And by the way, one of my YouTube sisters say I am the queen of wall sconces. Do y'all agree with her? I don't know now, but she might have a point, because I have done a few in my day here on YouTube or whatever. But I love the way that it came out anyways. If you queens and kings agree with her and you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Share the video with whoever you choose to share it with. Also, if you are a queen or king just stopping by the castle, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button? Because girlfriend, I am good for it. Yes, sis. Yes, bro. I am good for it. And with that being said, turn on your post notification bell so therefore you don't miss out on another video that is done by me. And I'll talk to you queens and kings later. Bye-bye.